This 2-bedroom villa is located in On Top of the World, a sought-after gated 55-plus golf community. The home sits on a tree-lined street with a landscaped front yard and a welcoming porch. Inside the front door, you'll find the living room open to a formal dining area. At the rear of the floor plan, the updated kitchen features stone countertops, stainless steel appliances, a marble backsplash, a pantry, and long breakfast bar. The family room is open to the kitchen and a casual dining area, plus it has access to the spacious screened-in back lanai. Both bedrooms are located off the living room at the front of the floor plan. The primary suite includes an attached bathroom with a walk-in shower. This villa is neutral color scheme, along with timeless design details like tile floors and marble windowsills. Don't forget about the closet space, the attic storage, as well as the screened-in 2-car garage. This amazing part of Florida is nestled between OCALA National Forest and the Gulf of Mexico. The neighborhood puts you around the corner from Publix, Walmart, and countless other restaurants and retail options. You can also jump on I-75 in no time, and you can be in Gainesville in 50 minutes, Orlando in 80 minutes, or Tampa in 90 minutes. Plus, the Gulf is just an hour and a half from your front door. Call now to schedule your private show.